Hi, I'm Grace Stores, editor of Movement, and I'm here at Move America 2023 today. I'm joined by Kyle McDonald, VP of Marketing and Business Development at Mojio. Thank you so much for joining me today, Kyle. How's your Move America experience been so far this year? We're on day 2. It's very early in the morning still, so there's lots to get to. But what have you seen and what have you enjoyed?
Yeah, well, we're really happy to be here. It's always awesome to come to Austin and experience the everything is bigger in Texas kind of energy. And, we love being part of this really dynamic and emerging mobility ecosystem. I think, there's a pretty incredible mix of technologies and companies here. So not only are, we able to engage with folks from a potential partnership and business perspective, but we're able to, learn and monitor and see what's also happening in the peripheral sides of the ecosystem. And so, yeah, we're really, really excited to be here. Second year in a row for us. Yeah.
Amazing. And can you tell me a bit about Mojio and what you do, how you fit into the world of mobility, and kind of what you brought to Move and what you found at Move as well?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so Mojio, we design and build connected mobility systems, and these systems really transform data. Vehicle data, telematics data, we do that in real time, and we transform those into products and services that can really help consumers and fleets get more from the vehicle ownership experience. So it's really about delivering a smarter, safer, and more affordable experience, and we do that through a range of product lines and technologies. We're also a Tier 1 supplier into the Volkswagen Group. We were founded in 2012 in Canada, and we've connected more than 1.5 million vehicles to our platform over the years.
Amazing. And I understand that you have some announcements that you brought to Move today. One is a partnership, and I'll let you explain the rest.
Yeah, sure. So we're really excited about this. It's an evolution of the company. So we're well known for our ability to deliver high performance telematics services, and through a new partnership with a company called SkyBell, we're introducing our entry into the video telematics space. And what that really means is, I'll bring out the dash cam so you can take a look. People are increasingly familiar with dash cams and the value they might bring, to be able to record things that are happening inside and outside of your vehicle. So in partnering with SkyBell, we were able to deliver an integrated solution. It's an amazing dash cam. It's 4G LTE connectivity. It's got built-in GPS, accelerometer, up to 256 gigabytes of storage, and it's deeply integrated with our cloud platform service so that we're able to enable a range of great features, both for consumers and fleets, and bundle that into our front-end software experiences as well.
Amazing. So what would you say is the most unique aspect of the dashcam? What has made the partnership, how has it complemented the product? I know you've just listed off quite a few of them, but what is your personal favorite, or what is the company's personal favorite?
Yeah, well, I think there's a really interesting aspect to the partnership. So, we believe in win-win deals, win-win partnerships, and SkyBell as a company has really been a pioneer in the smart home security space. So they're experts at manufacturing video products, such as smart video doorbells. And so we're able to leverage their expertise in producing an amazing dash cam with all of the video technologies that we need, and then we're able to focus on our piece and delivering a really high-performance system, lots of value for the end users, so they can get that for their family vehicles or their small business fleet vehicles. And so together, we focus on what we do best, and then we're able to bring something to market that is really unique, it's affordable, it's high performance. So we're really excited about it. We're going to deploy it towards the end of this year, starting with our small fleet product, which is a product called Force by Mojio. And so we know that our customers want this. They want to add dash cams to their fleets. So we're really excited to be able to do that.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for bringing it to Move. It's been lovely meeting you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here.
Yeah, thanks so much, Grace. Pleasure to meet you too, and we hope to be back next year.